Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be fitting a bucket seat to the Lupo. We're going to have to make a frame for it out of box section steel. I have a frame from an original seat that I cut up. So it's just the main parts, the seat belt, the slider, and we're going to make it fit this bucket seat. Bucket seat is a Bride Lomax reclinable. Don't know if it's a real one. Looks well built, should be alright. And to make it fit that, we have some box section steel. We'll be making up a frame. So the basic idea is going to be having two box section pieces down there, and then a cross section that goes across there that will mate up and weld on top of that. So the side sections that come down like that, they'll be going down, and I'll make a plate which sits on there so they're supported, and then probably another cross beam, so that should be strong enough. We have two. Now I need to drill holes in them. Bit wonky that cut, but just another update sort of thing. Got these marked out. Basically, did the whole length, which is 495mm, minus the whole distance, which is 260. Can't remember what that gives you, but then you half it, so then you know how far to start up the hole. So when I drill these holes, they should match up perfectly on these bars. So I'm going to drill these out. Definitely going to use a pillar drill, because I tried doing that before, drilling holes through and then trying to get it out the middle at the bottom, but it just doesn't work. There's no point trying. Right, got all the 4 holes drilled. Went quite alright on the pillar drill. Not amazing, but should do. They're all in the same position as each other. Raided the M8 bolt supply. Found 4 bolts, some nuts and some washers, so they'll do for that. Get them bolted on. Bit weird the design on this. It's like you've got to take off the main seat bit to actually get in there, because I can't get a spanner in there, so they're not very tight. So not sure how that's meant to work. If you meant to take this whole bottom piece off without to tighten them, or don't know, to be honest. Bit weird. But yeah, now with the other piece of box that we have, we're going to basically put it in between like that. Then this piece, that piece will directly weld onto, where did I put it? Oh, there. Yeah, it will weld directly onto there like that. So that will have it on there, and then off those side pieces there'll be little support pieces onto there. That's been so we've tacked this in, or pretty much welded that side of it so it stays together, and we've got the main frame tacked to this bar, so this is going to stay there. Got those propping up. I'm going to use this flat bar that I bought ages ago to make some little filler in sections, and I'll have to cut a half moon out of it to go around the tube. Then that will support the back section. Then all I've got to do is weld them in, weld all around that, take it out, paint it, and then it'll be done. So I've just our flat bar, and they're just going to go and weld in there to support the back. Got one on the other side. It's not perfect, but it'll be filled with weld. So that is pretty much done. Need to weld them up tomorrow and then put the seat in the car. Well, kind of forgot to film that last part, but it's kind of simple anyway. It's just welding it up and then painting it, but there you go, it's in the car, solid as a rock. Yeah, painted it in like a sort of a black bedliner, kind of rough kind of thing, but yeah, it's in the car. Slider works, feels really good. It's proper low. It feels lower. It's a lot lower than the standard seat that was in here. Yeah, just pretty good. Stickers on the back, and fits me fine. I'm a bit sort of tall for it, to be honest, but holds me in. But yeah, it's pretty much it, to be honest. Oh, I struggle getting out. Looks a lot better, I think. Improves the look of the car quite a bit. But yeah, that is it. That is how I made a bride fit my Lupo.